What's up, guys? It's Danny from the MTG Pals, and so finals are over, so winter break. I just decided to go get myself a little gift, just 2 packs of M13, so we're just going to open them, see what we get. I forgot these aren't as easy to open as the Return to Ravnica. So we've got a foil Volcanic Geyser. Pretty sweet foil, actually. It's really cool. Alright. We've got Chronometon. Don't know how to say that. Ring of Colonia. Knight of Glory, which is a really good card. And Thragtusk. So, big Thragtusk. That's awesome pull. Obviously, he's just dominating the format right now, so that's a happy Danny. Another pack. Yeah, these Return to Ravnica packs are just incredibly easy, and I haven't opened any packs other than that for months. So I'm not used to it at all. Alright. No foil. Alright, we've got a Ring of Evos Isle, Rewind, which is a pretty good card right now, Clock of Omens, and a Rootbound Crag. So, another good rare. So, yeah, we just opened 2 packs and got awesome pulls. Rootbound Crag, which is pretty good. A Thragtusk. That is awesome. That's probably one of the better cards to pull in this, in M13, so awesome. So happy about that. And Volcanic Geyser foil. Pretty sweet. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.